at Desert Wind Harley-Davidson. We've got a badass 2012 Dyna wide glide to show y'all today. Pretty nice aftermarket features on this bike. Got the rear pillion pad seat, nice matching backrest here, nice and slim, nice small pointy backrest to match the rake of the front end there. Got some aftermarket T-bars on here, a little bit higher rise than stock. Stock 21-inch spoked wheel in the front. Aftermarket air intake here. Nice aftermarket exhaust, nice short pipes there. Real nice throaty sound. Let's start her up so you guys can hear her. Really beautiful sound and really beautiful colors to the big blue pearls. Come down and see me, John, over here at Desert Wind Harley-Davidson. We'll get you guys on this new wide glide.
Desert Wind Harley-Davidson.